Cheers guys. Živjeli. Far out of the bustling center of the city of Belgrade, and I found another beautiful abandoned factory site. Let's explore. Nature has made this place its home again. It's a beautiful sunny day. 33 degrees I think. And the plants on this building are loving it. It's like a very lush atrium, but nobody designed it this way. It's so jungly, I'm almost afraid to meet a tiger here. Just jumping out of the bushes. So some history of this place. The plant was started as a very small workshop at the turn of the 20th century in 1901, and from there during the 10s and the 20s of the 20th century it grew and grew into a huge factory plant, and they produced all kinds of clothing supplies, and it was in use as a factory plant until the turn of the 21st century. So for a full century this was used as a factory. I wish I could still optimize my PCR annealing temperatures in one run, but sadly this company has gone under. This must have been for the machines. Many of the machines that operated here after the First World War were brought in as a part of the war reparations. So German machines, or maybe Hungarian ones, would have been brought here and put to use. So one of my fellow stalkers has shown up, and he hasn't spotted me yet. He's just standing there. Maybe this will give us a hint when this company closed. This calendar is from the year 2000 and they haven't replaced it since. It's still here. Underneath, a little postcard. This is wonderful. Does it say anything? I'm going to have to ask people to translate this for me.